Naghahanap ka ba ng hotel na malapit lang sa NAIA Terminal 3 Airport? Well, this vlog is perfect for you. Look at this, guys. Check this out. You know. So, kung ikaw ay OFW, balikbayan, or gusto mo lang mag-staycation na malapit dito sa NAIA Terminal 3 Airport, this vlog is perfect for you. So for today's vlog, guys, is-share ko sa inyo ang room rates dito sa hotel na to na nasa tapat lang mismo ng NAIA Terminal 3 Airport. And also, guys, we will also have a quick room tour of this hotel and share ko rin sa inyo yung mga amenities nitong hotel na to so that you will have a glimpse and idea if you decide na dito mag-check-in sa hotel na to. So guys, to all the balikbayan and OFWs out there, this vlog is for you. Welcome to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels. Like, share, and subscribe. So now guys, I know you are excited to know the name of this hotel. So this is the Savoy Hotel Manila. So guys, this is their complete address, contact number, and email address. Hope this helps you. So now guys, halika na, mag-park na tayo sa kanilang basement parking area. They have a big and huge parking space dito sa kanilang basement area. So now guys, we are going up to their reception area or the main lobby area so that we can check in. So tara guys, and let's go! So now guys, before we check in, alamin muna natin kung magkano nga ba ang overnight stay nila dito sa Savoy Hotel Manila. Magkano ba mag-check-in dito sa hotel na ito? So let's check this out guys. Watch and learn. So travel tips guys, before kayo magpunta dito is check nyo muna yung rates dito sa kanilang website para may idea na kayo. So good thing that yung sister ko is nag-book na dito ahead of time for our stay. Mega love shout out pala and thank you very much to my sister and brother-in-law R and B for this staycation treat. Thank you very much. So guys, para sa mga nagtatanong and excited na malaman ng kanilang room rates, ito na yon. Check this out. And now guys, after we check in, it's now time to go upstairs and let's have a quick room tour. So come on guys, let's go and let's check this out. Good morning everyone! Rise and shine! So mag-coffee muna tayo bago tayo bumaba. So guys, ngayon andito naman tayo sa restaurant nila. This is called the Savoy Cafe. So dito yung kanilang breakfast buffet and check natin kung ano yung mga breakfast buffet na ino-offer nila dito sa Savoy. Come on guys! Tingnan natin! So, dito sa area na to, yung kanilang mga breads, pastries, pandesal, and more. And andito rin yung kanilang mga spreads, like butter, peanut butter, jams, and more. So, dito naman sa area na to, guys, yung kanilang mga soup, and yung kanilang rice station, and yung tocino, longganisa, yung mga pang breakfast na mga food. And dito naman sa kabilang side, andito naman yung kanilang fruit station area. Yan. Then, itong side naman na to guys, ito yung kanilang salad station. Yan. So, ito yung kanilang dining area sa side na yan. I think ito namang area na to is yung kanilang mga dessert section. Yan. Mga cookies and more. So, ito yung kanilang dining and buffet area. Ito naman guys, yung mga pasta nila. Yan, looks good. So guys, medyo late na kami bumaba. Time check, it's 8:45 a.m. So, yung ibang food nila dito is nire-refill na nila. So, yan. So, ito yung mga food na ino-offer nila dito. Meron ring mga cereals and more. So, by this time is marami nang kumakain. So now guys, next naman is akyat naman tayo dito sa kanilang poolside area. So yan, check naman natin yung kanilang pool. And dito sa kanilang poolside, meron rin silang mini bar dito. So yan. So dito sa right side, ito yung kanilang poolside bar area. Yan. And dito naman sa left side, dito naman yung kanilang swimming pool. So, tingnan natin guys. So, there you go. So, yan yung kanilang poolside area. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels, for more travel and informative vlogs.